Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm so excited. I get to share with you my Pulisadham recipe. It's also known as tamarind rice and it's such a traditional hearty meal that you can enjoy. In South India, they actually add gram dal, which is also known as Jeera dal, as well as chana dal and roasted peanuts. I'm doing it the Durban style today and I hope you enjoy this recipe. Traditionally, they do use sesame seed oil. If you don't have it available, olive oil will do. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds as well as a teaspoon of Jeera seeds, which is also known as cumin, to your hot oil. Next, add a quarter teaspoon of Methi seeds, that's Fenugreek seeds. And lots of dried red chillies. Make sure you break them up and then add them to the oil. All of those seeds must pop in the oil as well. Next, add some fresh curry leaves and make sure after you've washed your curry leaves, dry them down with some roller towel before you add them to the oil. This will avoid all that splashing. I've also added one diced onion. And as soon as your onions are caramelized slightly, we will then start adding our ground spices. 1 teaspoon of roasted Dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 2.5 teaspoons of crushed garlic, followed by some cracked black peppercorn. Make sure your temperature is on low. You don't want your spices or your garlic to burn. You just want it to slightly sizzle in that oil to release its beautiful flavors. Next, I'm adding 1 diced tomato, as well as a leveled teaspoon of sugar, or you can use jaggery. I have used brown sugar. And we need to just give this chutney a little time to braise and for the tomatoes to break down. So close your lid for the next 5 to 10 minutes. While our chutney is braising, I now want to dissolve 1 tablespoon of tamarind to 250 milliliters of warm water. And once you've dissolved everything, take out any excess residue. We are going to add that to our chutney that's on the stove braising. So moving back to our pot, I've given the chutney just a few minutes. If your tomatoes are not completely broken down, just use the back of your spoon and smash it down a little bit. You can now add your tamarind water. And once you've added your tamarind water, you then just need to add some salt to taste. Ideally, you would have also boiled your basmati rice with some salt. If not, you can then add some extra salt into your tamarind chutney. I'm now going to close the lid and let it braise for the next 5 to 10 minutes. And once you've done that, we're now going to continue braising but with an open lid. This allows for any of the water to evaporate. It will also help to thicken your tamarind chutney. And what we are waiting for is basically for the oil to separate from the chutney, like so. So we now know that it's ready. You can turn your heat down to low. And what I like to do is add a little bit of fresh Dhania, coriander or cilantro into the chutney. Let it braise for a few seconds and then you can proceed to add your basmati rice. And you can use your leftover rice or freshly boiled rice. Today I've boiled 2 cups of long-grained basmati rice. It's the Nagya's Superior Gold basmati rice. You can then mix all of the rice into the tamarind chutney. Ensure it's all coated properly. And keep your heat on a low heat. And once you're done, you can then add some fresh dhania. But we want to now mix our dhania into the tamarind rice and let it wilt together with your warm rice. And this also adds that extra dimension of flavor. And once you're done tossing your fresh dhania into your tamarind rice, you can then further garnish with some more dhania. Your pulisadham can be enjoyed all on its own, or you can add a chutney, a tomato chutney. Our family, we really enjoy it with yellow potato curry, and that's what I'm serving up today. I'm now ready to garnish and serve. So if you're a fan of raso, also known as rasam or king soup, you will enjoy this dish. It's basically the similar ingredients, but with your basmati rice absorbing all of that lovely flavors. And if raso is the king of soup, then pulisado is definitely the queen of comfort food. I hope you try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. I upload videos every single week. Please like and share, and your comments are so very welcome. I love to hear from you, so please hit me up in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of love from Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena.